Hello, I'm absent again. I have sick kids, so that's what it is. I'm going to try to explain what I need you to accomplish today. I need you to accomplish this so that we can be where we need to be in about 2 weeks. So here you go. Your sub plans are here. Your teacher, or the substitute, should go over the plans with you. I've also attached those in Google Classroom. You would know that because if you're watching this video, you've seen it. A couple things that you need to do today. First, apartheid brain pop. Second, segregation brain pop. Third is you're going to revisit the Afrikaners article. Fourth is studying a little bit of Quizlet. Okay, so we're going to go through each one of those real quickly to make sure you know what's going on. And then I need you to also recognize on the agenda, I'm trying to keep it accurate. It's difficult because I've been out so many days here. The homework is accurate though. So your the brain pops are due tomorrow, and we're moving the segregation quiz till next week. So brain pops due tomorrow. The apartheid timeline formative is also going to be Thursday. So I will clean this up the best I can. Your links are accurate down here, so please keep track of those. Okay. Okay. So let's go over brain pop. Second and fourth period, you should already know how to get there. Eighth period, you do not. I'll very quickly show you. On your learner portal, you need to go to the Clever login. Click it. You need to make sure that you click the sign-in page, and it's going to take you to something that looks like this. When you click on brain pop, then it'll take you to your own BrainPOP page. It'll have your name in the upper right-hand corner. It'll have all sorts of things for you. Mine looks like this. And when I click on assignments, I can see the assignments that I've given to you. So you should have something like this. It's something that says apartheid movie and apartheid movie quiz that is graded. Okay? It's graded for me. It doesn't go into the grade book. If you don't do well enough, you're going to have to probably do it again. So please make sure, as the plans tell you, to watch the video, take notes in your composition book as you go through it, and then take the quiz when you're finished. Okay, a lot of this for apartheid will be stuff that we've already gone over. When you watch the segregation brain pop, it's going to be new information, so you should probably have more notes on segregation. Okay, so those are the two assignments in brain pop. They're not long videos, and you should do pretty darn well in those. Next on your list is the Afrikaners article. You're going to go back, and we're going to start the process of writing a summary from this. Remember, yesterday I asked you to write a short summary in periods 2 and 4, and I know they aren't that great. So I'm going to teach you a process that I think is pretty useful. I've used it myself, and I think it's worthwhile. So the first thing you're going to do is highlight 5 to 8 words that you need clarification on. They don't have to be just they don't just have to be like geography terms. So if you're looking here and you're not sure about the term agriculture, okay, I want you to highlight that term in whatever color you choose. The highlighters in the front of the room in the bins. Maybe you don't know what the term boar means, okay? So you need to have 5 to 8 words that you need me to go in and take a look at. The second thing that it asks you to do is to separate it into 4 sections. Let me do that for you right now. Okay, so as I scroll down here just a little bit, I'm going to ask you to draw a line with your pencil above where it says the Great Trek. I know that's not straight. Section 2 begins down here, and you're going to want to label it Section 2. If you go to Section 1, which is right, and be right here, you can label this Section 1. And then if you go to the back of your worksheet, we will make a separation for Section 3. Section 3 will start right here where it says apartheid. We're going to draw our line above current Afrikaner culture. And that means that Section 4 is everything below that line. So Section 3 is the sections apartheid and the Boer diaspora. Section 4 is current Afrikaner culture, current Afrikaans language, and the future of the Afrikaans. So we've now separated it into 4 sections. And then when you go back to your list, you need to annotate now. You need to have 3 annotations per section. So when you look at this article, this section right here should have 3 annotations. This section right here should have 3 annotations. When you go to the front of the page, section 1, 3 annotations, and section 2, 3 annotations. Anything that you highlight should have a note attached to it. So if you just go through and you highlight a phrase, that's not enough for it to be considered annotated. You need to have something written that says why it's important, or a question you have, or a connection that you're able to make. Okay, so that's a total of 12 annotations. I had 20 on mine that I did yesterday. So please make sure that you take the time to do that so that we can really work with this article when I get back. The last thing that I'm going to tell you to work on is Quizlet. The Quizlet is located on my agenda. It's down here, apartheid timeline. If you go there and click it, it'll take you to this link. I think the best thing at this point, test being tomorrow, is to use either test, match, or gravity to continue to review those dates and those descriptions. This is a graded test, kind of, and I expect everybody to do pretty well on it. In short, then, last thing last, homework, BrainPOP, and quiz, both apartheid and segregation, are due to Thursday when I return, and then your quiz for the timeline is Thursday as well. If you have any questions whatsoever, please email me, and I will do my best to get back to you. Thanks for working hard. I'm sorry that I had to miss another day. I don't like missing school. I like being here and being able to see you guys and try to help teach you a little bit about South Africa. But it is what it is, and we'll try to do a better job on Thursday. All right. Thanks so much. Have a good day. See ya.